Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Just open the door so the lighting kind of look horrible, but guys, I'm proud of myself because if you don't know, Jason, are the lighting inside horrible because the door closed on the light. But if you don't know, Jason always say, Iandra take long for ready, and me always ready and I wait. See? See? Me ready and I wait now. But him carry food. So just carry food, we gonna eat while just not bed. So we can leave up. Oh babe, this hot man. This a breast. Someone say this are yours. Yeah man, the food hot like this just well at lunchtime now. So I know say this we just done cook. Oh this a breast. Oh, two of them are breast.
Oh, this you put this on the bed. Anytime. No put this up on the bed with the back on the back hand. I'm always any like me go now, and I shoot on, I put this on the ground.
Okay.
I don't want the back dirty. So.
When I come back, I go change the sheet. Food looks good. Hot and nice. I'm excited. Just want to just reach and just relax. I don't know me is not a makeup person, so my face I got always look. Guys, my eyebrow, I'm gonna tell you something about my eyebrow. I don't know say I made this shave my eyebrow when me younger, and from that it don't grow back. Like it stay like this. It stay like this like for the longest while. So if you wanna see it, and if you're new to the channel and see it and I say, oh, probably your eyebrow grow back, no big deal. It now grow back, it's stagnant as it's set. I put castor oil on it and stuff and they make up here, so get bushy, but right there, so now grow back. Open it now, leave it open, babe.
Hey people, we're about to eat some food right now that the Lord prepare it.
You excited?
Mm-hmm.
Me too. I just want to reach. And just sit down. You think the shoes are gonna match this outfit? Or wear the next shoes with this with the color here?
It can match, man.
Ooh, look at my baby. You look nice, babe.
Thank you.
Hey, one thing we don't know, you got your side back, you know. You looks good. You can tighten this to me, please. Just remember it.
Tighten?
Yeah, here. Bring it up some more. I'm gonna leave out now, just to pack in everything in the car.
Looking awesome.
Black and white, guys. I don't realize, but I wear black a lot. Black fit me. But yeah, this is the little outfit for today. I did get to vlog for them, but Jason have vlogged the whole thing, so they can go over to Jason's channel and check it out. But they are so friendly and nice. I feel comfortable already, and I got a little drink. It's nice. You see what they did?
So they do restock it every day, right? So as long as you use something out of it, they go on. Okay.
Okay.
Right? This is only up on entry.
Yes.
For your room service, you can scan this, the QR code, the menu will come.
Okay,
right?
great.
We order with about half an hour before. This is your view now.
This is our view. I'm excited to see this. Woo! So nice.
Extra pillows, blankets, if you want ice.
Okay, great. And you say once this door is open, the AC
AC is
automatic.
off, so
Okay.
What time for dinner?
Alright, 6:30.
Oh,
6:30?
So, Friday,
So
it
it's
don't make
almost
sense we
dinner
do this
time.
right now, dinner time.
Yeah,
Yeah.
You can, but you can still go on the pool side, get the comments order half an hour, whatever.
Alright, thank you. Yeah, so this is it, guys. So guys, we are at Grand Bahia. Hope me I pronounce it right. So we're on the luxury side. The room is not bad at all. It's nice, it's clean, smells fresh. Not gonna lie, it smells really nice. Guys, Marlon is so nice. When you come, ask for Marlon. And the view is beautiful. I did have to mute the audio because down there, festive. But it's almost dinner time. We reach Goodwill now, probably after 4. What time now, babe?
5:30 now.
We reach out from after 4. But we did a stop and get drink and stuff like that. I had 2 drink. I feel away. You put in the Wi-Fi? So I'm gonna put in the Wi-Fi and ensure so I wanna get the vlog here. But today is our first day. And I probably say, oh, Andrea, and tell you which one she are going at the next vlog. But it's not a secret, guys. Just want to enjoy our anniversary. And that's up for today, guys. Any little thing me do, mega vlog, anything you see over my channel, one that I really want to see, it's over Jason's channel. He vlog the whole thing, so the whole journey, downstairs festivity, every little thing Jason have that. Me not have so much festivity in my vlog, so go over to Razorblade TV vlogs. Yeah, but it's comfy. You know, a long time we do this thing together now.
Which thing we had?
I think 4 years now me and
Andrew.
Jason live together, or 3 plus. Very long
Probably
time.
3 plus.
Yeah. Guys, me feel catching up for me couldn't see how me look, but I have on this t-shirt. I don't know the knotless and black with these shoes with this little bag. So we ate dinner just now. Tomorrow is our anniversary. No, 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 so we go back because we'll go back to our room. But tomorrow is our anniversary, the 5th of November. You see people already say happy anniversary right here, so. And thank you so much, guys. Good night.
Night.
Yeah, but it's the 5th of November, which is tomorrow. Hi.
Night.
I love elevator. I love the feeling what it give me in my belly. So while I'm going to edit, I realize I never shown the bathroom. What kind of room tour that? I know somebody would have commented.
You see that?
No. Alright guys, so this is the bathroom. Nice, not bad at all. Nice. And as you know, see the room already. We are back in our room. The vlog kind of all over the place. I'm so sorry. Tomorrow I'm gonna get one better vlog. We just want to settle down, make a bed and change off. We're there from after 4, now it's after 8 to 9. I'm gonna try if I'm gonna get the vlog here right now. Hope you enjoy it and enjoy the rest of the vlog. Then we'll make a giveaway. Tomorrow I can start off with a new vlog, and I know I'm gonna enjoy them, but tomorrow is our anniversary. I see people start wish we happy anniversary already. Thank you so much, but it's the 5th of November, and 5 years is a very long time. Think about 3 years plus me and Jason live together now, and guys, I can't tell you it's not easy, but it's fun. You know, when a relationship not perfect, just communicate and respect each other, and not only that, comprehend, because trust me, that's important as well. But so far so good. I enjoy my time. I love the hotel here, nice, clean, smells really good. Love the restaurant them, and everybody we meet so far is friendly, so that's good. Guys, remember, if you want to come here, ask Marlon. He's such a nice guy. Jason in the room, so I'm going to edit his video, and we're going to just, celebrate. We're going to just probably have something for drink and you know, until our anniversary comes. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for trod the journey with me. Road to 100K. I love you guys. Bye.